What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video like this. We haven't done a video like this in a little while, so I kind of wanted to, get back into this and kind of sort of do vlogs here and there. We got the C10. It's let's see if I can point to it. Oh, right there. We got the C10, and I got some new headers in. But anyway, so we're actually in Caitlin's car here. I've been actually having to drive it kind of a good bit because the red truck, my 15, it needs a tune. We got to get a tune on that truck. I'll kind of, let on some more details as to what's going on with that truck in the future. Nothing bad, but it's, got a few things going on with it. So I can't actually drive it anymore right now. Another thing is the 3000 GT. You guys know I love my 3000 GT. But I don't know if you guys remember, but I don't know if I ever said anything, or I think I made a short a little while back of me going to the track, running the car. Well, after, let me shut this door because the wind is blowing. But after running the car a pretty good bit, I could kind of, start to smell clutch, and it was probably something I was doing off the line a little bit. I don't know. Maybe it was a surface, it was really, really sticky over there. So it may have had something to do with it too. But anyway, so I ended up kind of messing the clutch up a little bit. So, I left that night, and, out on the road, the car did fine. As long as I wasn't starting off hard, from like a dead stop and just running the car, it didn't slip or anything. So anyway, I'd say, man, probably 3-4 months went by, and the clutch was fine. Then all of a sudden, one day it got to where it was kind of making some noise as I would, apply the clutch and things like that. I know you guys are probably bored of me just rambling, talking, but I kind of wanted to update you guys on some of my vehicles, so I do apologize. I'm gonna try to make this quick as possible. So like I said, I'm sorry. But anyway, so yeah, the clutch started making some noise one day, and I don't know, man, it just kind of went from there. It just got worse and worse, and to where it wasn't really even working that good. And even stalling the car, I would push the clutch in, and even with the clutch in, the car would stall. So yeah, it was definitely, something to do with my clutch. One day I was backing out to leave in the car, it stalled, and the car is not cranking anymore. So it's because the clutch, you can't even push the clutch down. Like, it is so hard. Anyway, so we're gonna get into opening the headers right here and get them on the truck. And yeah, check this thing out. I am gonna have some sound clips and us cranking the truck, don't worry, in this video, but it may be a little bit later on. For me, it won't be. For you guys, it'll be, almost instant for you guys. But yeah, we are gonna be cranking it. I gotta get the headlights working too. Actually, let's go ahead and hop over to the truck now and take a look at this and see what all we gotta do. All right, so here it is, you guys. Here's the front of the truck. It's kind of, I'm about to fall, but here's the old headers. You guys can see these things were really short. There's some shorty, kind of, it's supposed to hug to the block pretty tight. So that's what was on it right there. You guys can see, yeah, we kind of had to make some adjustments here for them to fit, but we got them in there. So that's the old headers. We're gonna get the new ones on here in a second. Let's see, let's go ahead and pop this. You guys can see, here's the old 400, here the 400 small block. The motor is brand new. But everything else on it is not really, like these valve covers is what I'm talking about. The intake isn't new. Carburetor isn't new. All the front, all this right here and stuff isn't new. I'm actually going to be doing away with this because this clutch, you guys can see, is bad. The clutch isn't really good, so we're going to go with the electric fans right here, and that'll be good. Then the lighting, yeah, we got a mess to fool with here to get these lights working. You can see they're just some wires. So what we're going to do, here's some of the spark plugs we had out. I actually had to replace the starter too. Let's see if I can zoom in right there. Yeah, I had to replace the starter the other day because the other one had broken. So yeah, got to replace that, or had to replace it. That's a brand new one right there. But crunk right up once we got that new one on. You guys see there's the headers, or the head right there. Now we're gonna get these headers on. I know it kind of looks like a mess right now, but I just got stuff out of the way so we could get to it. But I am gonna be recording that and gonna do a little unboxing on these Longtube headers. All right, so here we go. I haven't yet opened these. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand best as I can. So let's go ahead and see. It is got the big staples on it, so that may make it easier. Let's go ahead and do that. Kind of need a new blade, sort of. Let's see. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you are, be sure to leave a like. And yeah, subscribe for more C10 content here. Be sure to comment down below. Let me know if you guys would like to see some more of this. So we're gonna go ahead and do this right there. Throw that there. And let's see. Here we go. We got the new headers. Just like this. All right, here we go. Oh, man. Okay, so, it actually come with new gaskets. Okay, I was gonna use the old one. Oh, they're a little bent right there. Don't think that's gonna matter though. No, that's fine. So yeah, it actually come with new gaskets. I'm actually happy about that. I guess they'll work for that. Yeah, it's like a round port right there. I guess that doesn't matter though. don't know, I'll hold it up there to make sure. Yeah, it does look like it will work though. Yeah, because I thought I was gonna have to use the old ones, which I guess I could possibly steal. I mean, I don't know what the headers look like on the surface that makes the head. Let's see. So here's one. Not sure what side this is. Let's see. Oh man. All right, so here it is. Just got it sitting here on the ground. My nice workbench for right now. So here it is. You got the Longtube header. I think this is gonna go, yeah, that's gonna go on the passenger side. So that will fit up in there. Shouldn't be too bad to get it up under there. These are painted black, so just went with that for now. All right, here is the driver's side one. Sort of feels heavier. Why is that? I don't know. Maybe it's got something to do with the collectors and all. You know, I started getting a little worried just then because it was supposed to have these collectors and I thought it didn't for a minute. All right, so this is what we're going to be welding our exhaust pipe to and then running our muffler. So this is the collectors here. You know, so the really good thing about not having fender wells, you can actually get inside the truck like this. Now I've already started putting the header in here, just kind of see how it's gonna go. Looks like it's gonna go pretty good. I'm gonna take and kind of maneuver this in a little better here. Got the oil dip stick right there that I gotta kind of maneuver around. So should go pretty good. Got the exhaust gaskets, let's see, right here. So I'm gonna open these up in a second, or I probably should go ahead and open them up and get them ready to kind of go on there. So yeah, I wish I had my GoPro, that way I could kind of just film as I went, but we'll kind of do what we can. All right, now that may not be the best spot to have the phone, but you know, it may do. I'm just kind of sitting right there. Go ahead and undo these bolts right here. See, I think I got to get one more bolt. I think, yeah, I got to go find it. Let's see, I think it's sitting on the front of the truck. Now those bolts should work fine with these headers here. Let's see. Doesn't really look like there's a certain way to put it on. It looks the same both sides. So we're just gonna put it on and yeah, hope for the best. All right, let's go ahead and lower this down. Kind of see, I got some plug wires down there. That's not good. Don't need those down there. See if I can get these out. Looks like these are gonna fit pretty good though. All right, so we got the headers in now. Got the bolts in there. Got the spark plugs in. I gotta go get one more, like I was saying, because yeah, one did get broke. The ceramic broke right here, so gotta go get another one of them. But you can see kind of how they run there. Let's see if we can get a shot of that. Yeah, they run down like that and they'll go out straight out of the back of the truck. So yeah, we're gonna weld onto the collectors, get those under here, get the pipes, and get the new mufflers on. All right, so it just got climbed over in the truck right here. I think I'm gonna have to move the starter wire. Let me show you guys. I think I'm gonna have to move the starter wire around a little bit. I had it positioned for the other headers, but as you can see, it's kind of getting in the way here. So I'm gonna take and loosen the nut on the starter right there. Go ahead and reposition this wire, and then we will be able to go ahead and get these headers where we want them. Slid in really, really good. Looks like these are gonna fit really good too. Hopefully they clear the motor mount too, and we don't have to kind of, you know, hit anything or make any adjustments. It looks like they're gonna go pretty good. So the Jegs headers, man, they're definitely the way to go. So I'm gonna fight with this, see if I can get this straight, and I'll pick back up here in just a second. All right, so I haven't been filming a whole lot because it's not really a good place for me to be able to put the camera like it was on the you know, driver's side over there. But as you can see, we got the gasket on there, going back with the bolts now. Got this one on, this one on. Just got to continue to, you know, put the rest of the bolts. I am gonna heat wrap this right here, and also these right here to, you know, kind of keep them from melting or anything by these headers. You can kind of see where they run right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting these on, and I'll see you in a second. All right, so we've gotten all the plugs in, just about. I'm still tightening one, but I got all the bolts in, got the head gasket on, you know, or header gasket, might I say. But yeah, we're looking pretty good. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten this one. Now, I did have to use a wrench for that spark plug right there, but I mean, it wasn't bad. It was only, that was the only one. All the others, you can use the ratchet like I'm doing right now. Like I said, I am gonna have to heat wrap this right here, of course. I'm gonna have to get some more of that, hoping I can just get some at like O'Reilly's or AutoZone. Hopefully they'll have something I can, you know, wrap that with. That way I don't have to worry about it melting or anything. Let's see, right here, using my left hand, they'll kind of tighten a little more, you know, being aluminum. So you don't want to go too crazy on those, get them broke one off. Yeah, there you have it. The headers are on. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting some of these spark plug wires back on here. Go ahead and get all of those on, and then see about getting that other spark plug, well, for the other side. Yeah, looking pretty good. Got it all done. Really liking the way these headers fit. These are from Jegs here, the painted Longtube headers. Said it had 3-inch collector. I think that's what that is right there, but I'm not sure what it reduces to. So, you know, I ordered 3-inch exhaust piping, so I guess we'll have to see how that goes. We have to get an adapter to run the 3-inch piping, you know, on out the back of the truck to the you know, 2 Flowmasters that we're going to have back there. I don't even think they're actually called Flowmasters. I think they're called something else, but they're like a Flowmaster kind of replica or something like that. So we're going to have those be a single in, single out. And once we get the exhaust done, we'll be able to, you know, daily the truck. That's kind of all we're waiting on. You know, right now it's super loud with these open headers. Do want to see what it sounds like with these long tubes though, because we did have those really short headers, you know, that wasn't really ideal for, you know, cranking the truck up, not without the exhaust run under the truck. So now we got these long tubes, so they should do a lot better, should sound a lot better. I don't know, it didn't sound bad with the others. But anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. If you guys did enjoy today's little, you know, video of the old C10 here, me working on it, putting these headers on, be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye, guys.